Everyone, it's Sam from the Body Centre here. Welcome to our YouTube channel. The Body Centre is an action repair and vehicle refinishing centre based in Norfolk. We have a passion for repairing and customising vehicles to the highest standard possible. Come with us behind the scenes and follow our journey. Hello everyone, Sam from the Body Centre here. Welcome to our new video. Today we have a Bentley GTC in orange flame. Awesome colour. It's already got the black packs, it's got all the black trims. We are going to be fitting an £8,500 carbon fibre body kit. Now this car's travelled down from London. We're going to be doing this in one day. So we're going to be getting all the strip and fit team on it. All hands on deck, fit this kit, car back to the customer, travel back to London. Let's get in the workshop and let the madness commence. So guys, we are now in the strip and fit department with Nelly. The car is up on the ramp, as you can see. We're now going to be cleaning down the areas, ready to fit this carbon fibre body kit, which comes in at around about £8,500 just for the parts. Now usually this kind of job has to go back to the Bentley factory to be done by their body shop, but as we are an affinity partner of Bentley, they have allowed us to purchase and install this kit, which gives us great pride. Included in the kit is a front lip spoiler. We have two sill covers, a rear diffuser and a boot lip spoiler, all carbon fibre, coming a real nice gloss finish. Obviously with it being genuine, fitment is pretty much perfect. Well, it is perfect. We're going to go behind the scenes and watch Nelly install this kit, and to make sure he definitely doesn't drop it. Let's go. Boom. What do you reckon to that? Such a small job, in all honesty. Didn't take us too long at all. But what a dramatic enhancement to this vehicle. Looks so much more aggressive. I think it looks a bit lower to the floor. I absolutely love it. It's obviously an extortionate amount of money, but it's all genuine. The fitment was absolutely perfect. Now, what we haven't actually shown in the video, but what I will tell you guys, the whole car is sprayed in peelable PPF. So on the front bumper, we actually had a bit of lifting PPF under there. So we took the section off on the lower front bumper to fit the spoiler, so it all sticks. We've got no chance of our 3M tape lifting away. It's all bolted on, so it's not going to be an issue. But just in case that the tape lifted away, we have took the PPF off and then stuck it all on. The PPF to the front bumper is being resprayed. It's going back to the company who'd done that just to be finished off. But anyway, thank you all for watching to the end, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. Actually, I'm gonna add something here. Jake is behind me on the camera here. This is he's very camera shy, but Jake actually edited this video from start to finish. So well done, Jake, you man. Yeah. Well done. Thanks all for watching, guys. Please hit that subscribe button. We'll see you next time.